Hi there. In this video, we're going to go through how you can use HYCU R-Cloud to backup and restore your Microsoft Entra ID configurations and data. HYCU is a cloud-based data protection platform to automate backups and easily recover your data across on-prem, cloud services, and SaaS applications. With HYCU, you have complete flexibility to manage your backup and restore operations from the region of your choice, based on your organization's data residency requirements. Now let's look at how HYCU for Microsoft Entra ID works. Let's first take a look at where your backup data actually sits. One of HYCU's core advantages is that you can leverage your own storage targets to store all your immutable backups. You can configure your Amazon S3, Azure, Google Cloud, or any other S3 compatible bucket like Wasabi. So select your preferred storage vendor, enter the required details, and you can add your backup target. Next, let's look at how you can create your backup policies to automate your backups. HYCU gives you a few policies that you can use out of the box, or you can choose to create your own policies. While creating a new policy, you can define your backup frequency with flexibility down to the hour. You can then configure the retention period as per your requirements. Let's say you want to store your backups for 4 years. Apart from the primary backup, you can store copies and archives of your backups in separate locations. You can also configure and attach a backup window to control when you want your backups to run. Now let's understand how you can add Microsoft Entra ID as a source on HYCU. From the modules listed here, just select Entra ID, and then all you need to do is enter your tenant ID, client ID, and secret key. Once the source has been added, you can view it under the list of your SaaS applications. You can then assign the policy of your choice and let your backups run on autopilot. Finally, let's look at how you can restore your Entra ID data. Before we restore, I'm going to delete one of the users from Entra ID. Now let's see how we can restore that particular user from HYCU. You can choose the restore point you want to restore from the list here. With HYCU, you can restore the entire tenant or you can browse through the list of objects available. You can also restore a single item from any of these objects. In this case, we want to restore the user we deleted. From the list here, you can easily browse and select the user you want to restore. You can now select where you want to restore your data from. If you've configured a secondary backup and an archive, you should see those options here as well. Let's go with the primary backup. Looks like the restore is complete. On refreshing this list, you can now see that the user has been restored along with all the attributes and settings. So this is how you can set up HYCU R-Cloud to protect your Entra ID data. Thank you.